Hello, if you want to change the slow motion speed on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, first you need to open the camera, and then we're gonna switch to the slow motion mode. And now over here we need to switch the amount of frame rate. So if you tap over there where it says 120, then you can switch to 120 FPS, 240 or 960, which is the super slow motion. So the more FPS you have, the slower the video will be, and that's pretty much it. So now you can record a video, and you have several seconds for that, of course, and then you can pause it. And you can also drag these lines over here in order to extend the slow motion. So of course the super slow motion has its own limit, and you can select which area should be super slow motioned, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna skip this one, and if you switch to 420, then you can record for as long as you want, and you should be able to also change the speed. Over here you have those dots, and you can extend over here or make it shorter. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!